Class 6 Mathematics, Chapter 10 Ratio Unitary Method. यूनिटरी मेथड। पिछले टॉपिक में हम लोगों ने रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन चैप्टर में प्रोपोर्शन के बारे में पढ़ा था। अब हम लोग यूनिटरी मेथड के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। लेट अस नो व्हाट इज यूनिटरी मेथड। यूनिटरी मेथड, इसको हिंदी में एकिक नियम बोला जाता है। द method in which first we find the value of 1 unit and then the value of required number of units is known as unitary method. Unitary method. The simple rules used in this method are first, to get more we multiply, and second is to get less we divide. Okay. Now let us see example of this unitary method. First question says, if the cost of 14 meter of cloths rupees 1890, find the cost of 6 meter of cloths. So to get less we divide. Okay, let us see solution. 14 meter cloths cost is equal to rupees 1890. Therefore 1 meter cloth cost is equal to 1890 divided by 14. Therefore 6 meter cloth cost is equal to 1890 by 14 into 6. Let us solve. कैंसिल, तो 3 2 जा 6 एंड 7 2 जा 14. अब 7 से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, 7 2 जा 14, 7 7 जा 49 एंड 0. और 270 is multiplied by 3, that means 810 rupees is our answer. Next question is, if 15 tins of the same size contain 234 kg of oil, how much oil will there be in 10 such tins? Okay, let us see solution. 15 tins of the same size contain is equal to 234 kg oil. Therefore, 1 tin of the same size contain the 234 by 15. Therefore, 10 tins of the same size contain the 234 by 15 into 10. Let us cancel 5 2 जा 10 and 5 3 जा 15. 3 से इसको फिर कैंसिल करेंगे, 3 7 जा 21 और 3 8 जा 24. अब इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे यानी 156 kg. Okay, let us see another example. Question: cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 104. How many bananas can we purchase for rupees 6 rupees 50 paisa? Okay, so 1 dozen is equal to 12 banana. Therefore, 4 dozen is equal to 12 into 4, that means 48 bananas. Okay, let us see. The 48 bananas cost rupees 104. Bananas available is equal to 48. Therefore, rupees 1 banana available is equal to 48 by 104. Therefore, rupees 650 banana available is equal to 48 by 104 into 6 rupees 50 पैसा. अब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, पॉइंट कैंसिल करेंगे तो डिवाइडेड बाय 100. अब कैंसिल करें, 2 5 जा 10 एंड 13 5 जा 65. फिर इसको 2 से कैंसिल करेंगे 24. फिर इसको 13 से कैंसिल करेंगे, 13 8 जा 104 और फिर 8 से इसको कैंसिल करेंगे, 8 3 जा 24. डैट मीन्स 3 बनानास. Okay, let us see another example. "40 men can finish a piece of work in 26 days. So how many men will be needed to finish it in 16 days?" "26 days in 26 days a work finished by 40 men. Therefore, in one day a work finished by the 40 into 26. क्यों यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई क्यों होगा? क्योंकि एक आदमी उस वर्क को और ज़्यादा दिन में करेंगे. तो देयरफॉर in 16 days a work finished by m equal to 40 into 220 40 into 26 by 16. अब इसको कैंसिल करेंगे. 8 2 जा 16 एंड 13 2 जा 36, 8 5 जा 40. अब 13 is multiplied by 5, that means 65 means. That's all in this exercise. Next topic we discuss next exercise. Okay, thank you.